Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use ShopPay installments. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now in this case, you might be wondering, how do you start using ShopPay installments? Well, using them is quite easy here. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go ahead and visit the Shopify store, which in this case, you need to look for products that you want to buy. So for example, you have a bunch of products here. Let's go and choose one of them. So for example, I want to choose the t-shirt one here. Now from here, once you actually visit a product, you should be able to see the add to cart or the shop pay option here. Now in this case, shop pay might not be available for every Shopify website that you visit. So depending on the configuration of the actual website or the Shopify website, if they've enabled that. Now in this case, there are going to be certain regional restrictions. Now sometimes the Shopify store does not actually support shop pay here, which in this case you won't be able to use it. But if you do are able to use it, you should be able to see the shop pay option here. Now you can go ahead and proceed on adding this to your cart, or even just proceed with shop pay. Now in this case, since I already did this to my cart, and if you want to buy other items, you can go and click on view cart here, and you should be able to see the other items that you have right now. So in this case, in this section, you have the option to check out, or even proceed with shop pay, PayPal, or GPay. Now, if you choose checkout here, it will redirect you to this page here, which in this case, give you a summary, or basically ask you to provide all the details. That includes your contact, delivery, and the payment method here as well. But then again, you have the express checkout here, and you could use shop pay here and choose the terms for your payment. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.